Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking once again out of our book, Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior. And we're going to have Ann drive because she's making one of her favorite.
One of my many arugula salads.
Yeah, we're on number 2 or 3 or 4 of her Ann's arugula salads. That's on page 160 because she's making Ann's arugula and fancy beet salad, but with
No,
a dressing.
I am not making that right now. I am making
Oh.
the one here
Oh,
called Ann's Bright Orange Salad with Dill. So I'm
and
starting.
then the dress, and then the dressing. If you have a book,
is-
we'll cut to that in a minute.
We'll cut.
Yeah, we'll get.
And I'm going to start by just putting about 2 cups, or however much you want, of arugula in the bottom of a bowl. And I like to always make sure that the arugula comes up along the sides of your bowl. Then, next comes
Your oranges.
cucumber.
Oh,
And I am going to slice about half of a cucumber and put about half of these cucumbers. Jane, I need a bowl to put these cucumbers in. Do you
A bowl?
have a little bowl? Because I want a big bowl. For
I thought
all
you said
the
a little
cucumbers.
bowl.
Well, a little big bowl. Because I want all of this to go into a bowl.
Like this size bowl?
That's fine. And
I
then
don't
into
get-
that, I'm going to put 2 oranges. And I have already cut up 1 orange. And so I peel the orange, and then I take, and I've just left this to show you. I take my knife, and between each section, it's kind of fun. I kind of like doing this.
You do. You always do oranges that way. It seems so high maintenance.
Well,
but
how would you do it?
I would just not. I would leave the membrane on.
No. The whole point is you get the whole juicy orange. It's so good. And then what's left, you just squeeze. So you get all this nice juice in here. And so now I have, where am I going to put this? Get rid of it. Then next, I am going to put 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh dill.
Thank
And
you.
Jane has just done that
Where do I put it?
right in here.
1,
2.
2,
Where's the 2 below?
and
And then I will put in about a tablespoon of fresh mint.
okay. I'm going to cut
And
that
while
up.
you're cutting that up, I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of thyme and rosemary. And this is rosemary. And I have really, truly about half a teaspoon left in here that I just
So many of my spices, I think I have a lot left because I've used them over like a hot pot, and so the sides are all coated with the dusty ingredient. But sure enough,
and
there's nothing left inside.
And here's half a teaspoon of thyme. And then Jane, I need to have,
How much mint did you need? A tablespoon?
yeah, that's good. You never can have too much mint.
Do you want it fine chopped?
No,
Is it rough cut?
I'm not fine.
You're not fine?
I'm not fine.
Okay, then you go. That's about a tablespoon.
You're fine. And then I am going to put into here
I'm going to zest
a
lemon.
tablespoon of lemon juice. Jane, I need half that lemon.
Okay.
Oh, and let me put the rest of those orange slices in that were from the orange. And I'm going to put in, do we have the,
My lemon squeezer is right here. Yeah. I'm going to zest half a lemon. This is never the way you want to do it because it's such a slippery thing to hold on to, but it says to zest half a lemon. So I'm zesting the half of the lemon that's left. You're aiming, you're getting so much
I'm getting
in the salad.
I'm getting it.
I'm getting a lot of zest in the arugula also, by the way. This has got so much flavor, Mommy.
And the thing about lemon zest is that it gives it that lemoniness without being too lemony. And it just enhances.
It tastes
the
like
flavor.
sunshine.
So I'm going to put a tiny bit more of lemon juice in.
Well, I can try to zest this thing. Oh, gosh. Second to zesting half a lemon, half a half a juiced lemon is the next thing you don't want to have to be stuck zesting.
So I want to just, the reason
Is this
I
enough?
put this in a bowl, yeah, is I want to be able to get all of this flavors all over here. And then, so what do you think I'm going to do? I'm going to take this.
That's like a dressing
and put
built
this
in.
right in here. And now
Yum.
it's lovely salad. Now, it is good, just like that. But if you want to take it to another amazing level, the strawberry, Jane, do you want to get
We're going to put strawberry dressing on top of this?
Uh-huh.
So we cleared the deck. We have Anne's amazing, what's the name of the salad again?
Look in the book. Cucumber is actually, I don't know what it is.
Cucumber orange.
Orange.
We were so...
Anyway, it's a wonderful cucumber and orange salad that
With dill.
With dill that you can have just as is, or you will notice this fabulous strawberry dressing to go on it.
So we're moving from page 161, Anne's arugula bright orange salad with dill, and we're going to page 99. And we're making strawberry balsamic dressing to go with our amazing arugula salad.
Or with anything. It is
Or with anything, you're right.
Surprisingly delicious. And I have here 1 cup of sliced fresh strawberries. You can also use frozen strawberries, but I just happen to have fresh strawberries. So into my little KitchenAid food processor, I'm going to put the cup of strawberries, and then I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup of onion. This happens to be red onion. You can use red or white, your choice.
I think the red will be good with the strawberries.
Yeah,
It'll look redder.
I agree. And then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And I've got this jar, and it's just, you know what? I'm thinking that I can just, because I have this little wonderful scooper that fits right in, that I will be able to get
Oh, you will.
2 teaspoons
Of
when you
mustard.
never would have thought I could
Awesome.
have. So this is marvelous that I can do that. And then I am going to put in
Well, you get the balsamic. I'm going to get the...
a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. And I don't know where, oh, here. And this happens to be the olive taps of white balsamic vinegar. Now their lemon is really, really nice. And in fact, you know what? I think I'm going to use that.
What, the lemon vinegar?
I think I'm going to use
What's
that.
the difference?
Lemon. And I'm going to just put in a 1/4 cup.
Oh, I smell this dill.
Yeah.
So white or lemon balsamic?
White or lemon. I love the lemon, and I'm just this is coming out pokey.
Okay, while you're doing that, can I put the 1/4 teaspoon?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to knock your elbow if I get... Wow. It's all on top of this thing. Hold on. There you go.
Here you go. And that is this amazing strawberry balsamic dressing. And Jane, you want to zing it?
I feel like we're going to the moon.
That looks good. Jane, stop.
I feel like I was taking off on some like major busy flight. Oh, look at all this. The lid. This is like a little R2-D2. How's it taste?
Ooh, like strawberries. So nice. So onto my, now, this you could eat as is, or on the top,
Wow.
drizzle some of this lovely.
Oh, we need to just drizzle it like...
Jane,
No?
I don't want to have too much.
Okay.
I'm
I
afraid.
think it looks delicious. I want to have a little extra.
I mean, you could put as much as you want. We did it on just a regular green salad last night, and I put a lot of it on. But I just think it looks pretty, just like that,
Oh, it does.
doesn't it?
Yeah. It's gonna take. Let's get a picture.
Yeah.
All right, okay.
Oh,
freeze.
and then always, 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 because I grow my own sprouts, I would put some sprouts right there in the center.
Yum! Look at that. All right, Wade, you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna get a little arugula. Tell you what, I'm gonna put this over here because we're crossing swords here. We're gonna put a little arugula, a little cucumber, and a little.
He's full.
Oh no, you don't want to taste this. Okay, you give it a taste. Okay. What do you think? How is it? You're the master of it. How is it?
Looks great.
It tastes great. Is it how you expect it? Is it how it always tastes?
I've just gotten plain cucumbers so far.
How can you get a plain cucumber? Hey, I have a hard time eating cucumbers with my new braces because they get caught. So I have to do my own little version of this, grind it up and have it more smooth. So
But the strawberry dressing's good.
Wade's over there wolfing down what he had. Perfect. Okay, let us know what you put on your Anne's arugula, cucumber, orange, and dill salad. If you have nothing at it, or if you add in your strawberry balsamic dressing as well. And Anne,
Yes.
she's off the camera, already cleaning up already. We're trying to say, please enjoy your salad. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.